cuck and duck.
You need to leave.
Wow, you just really called the duck that. That's
I did.
a shame. Should be ashamed of yourself.
We have enough money, but I don't know where Mo's head is.
Yeah, we should go get Mo.
Unless maybe he didn't die.
Maybe
he
he's
ran away.
alive. Nope, he's not alive.
Yo, who freaking farted?
Trezzie, you stay.
That was wet.
Now think about what you've done.
Double kill.
Okay, that's actually. Yeah,
Well, chat, it's just me and you. Friends forever.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I don't like you, sir.
That's all I needed.
Oh,
That's all I needed for him to do that, and it became personal with me.
for doors, bro. What the fuck?
We're just ramming them hard.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
Invisible man! Invisible man!
Hold on, I got a sword.
he's got me! He's got me! Ah! He's got me! Put me down!
Put me down now, put me down. Okupola calling me. Mazo Okona calling me. You two tongo, they are calling me. Put me down, people.
I'm not trying
You
to.
can. Hold on, I got a little cup tea.
Help!
To the door.
Help!
I hear something, guys.
Help!
I'm not gonna lie.
Help!
I
Help!
may or may not hear something. Oh,
There we go. We got it. 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 We got it.
Dang, that boy ugly as hell.
Green Goblin kind of look like you, Trezzie.
Wait.
What?
Yo, shout out to Season, man.
Streets. What the hell? Hey,
Let's play with Trezzie, guys.
guys, this is raisins.
New game.
This is not raisin. Well, how is
This
it?
is raisins.
How is this raisins?
Put him on the wiener.
This is
Put him on the
raisins.
wiener.
I mean, yeah, it's
Okay.
it's raisins, Green.
Wow.
Oh, yo, yeah. Ride the wiener, man.
Oh, wow.
Ride the wiener.
That's insane.
Ride the wiener, man.
That's insane. You violated in
Look
1080p,
at the
60 frames a
side eye.
second.
Look at the side eye.
Did someone say baby oil?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh!
Something inside of me. I didn't care anymore. I didn't care about being better than Kakarot. I didn't care about being a Super Saiyan. I didn't care if I lived. I didn't care about anything. And then it happened.
Yo!